Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 24 November Monday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 2, number 4, number 17, number 19, number 28, number 32. Single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 4, number 17, number 19, number 32. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 14, number 16, number 29, number 36, number 38, number 44. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 14, number 16, number 29, number 36, number 38, number 44. Today lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 28 and number 34, number 39, number 42. Now lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 28, number 34, number 39, number 42. Now tea time prediction for 24 November Monday 2025. Now tea time single prediction numbers: number 2, number 6, number 12, number 23, number 32, number 36. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 2, number 6, number 12, number 23, number 32, number 36. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 18, number 27, number 34, number 39, number 44, number 47. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 18, number 27, number 34, number 38, number 44, number 47. Today time booster ball numbers: number 38, number 43, number 45, number 49. Now tea time booster bonus ball number repeat: number 38, number 43, number 45, number 49. So friends,